Are you looking for a BlackVue dashcam, but you don't know which model to pick? This video is made for you. Hi everyone, this is Jeremy from BlackVue, and today I'm going to explain to you about the BlackVue lineup from the most advanced to the most simple dashcams. Throughout the years, BlackVue has released a lot of dashcam models, but they all have three things in common. First thing is a sleek design. BlackVue dashcams, if you look throughout our lineup, you will see no dashcam with a screen. That's by design because we always believe that your smartphone is the best interface, and that's why our dashcams are designed that way. It also means the dashcams are very sleek and they can blend easily in the interior of your vehicle. The second pillar of the BlackVue design is connectivity. So first of all, every dashcam from BlackVue connects to the BlackVue app with Wi-Fi, and some of them also include cloud connectivity, so you can connect to them from anywhere in the world. The third pillar of BlackVue design is reliability. In fact, in your day-to-day using the BlackVue, you will see it's running 24/7 without missing a bit, and it also runs perfectly well in the hot or cold weather. And not only in your day-to-day, but in the long run, we have countless reviewers or users who've been so happy with the BlackVue system because it just works in the long run. We've got many users who still send us dashcam samples they recorded on their over 5-year-old dashcams. And the reliability of BlackVue dashcams is actually not just something we are saying. We're actually covering every BlackVue dashcam with a 2-year warranty, including most of the accessories. BlackVue dashcams can be categorized into 4 main categories. The first category, and it's the most high-end category, is the LTE built-in dashcams. With these models, all you have to do is get a SIM card from your local mobile operator, a data SIM card, and then insert it in the SIM card reader of the dashcam. The second type of dashcam from BlackVue are the cloud-compatible models. These are high-end models, but in order to connect to the cloud, they will need a Wi-Fi hotspot or an LTE connectivity module. Now, the third type are the simple Wi-Fi dashcams. These models are also Wi-Fi compatible, but they don't connect to the cloud. Now, for the fourth type of dashcam, these are the box dashcams. Why box? It's because we have this recording box here. That's where everything is recorded, while separately you have cameras, which can be front, rear, and interior. And this means the design allows for having the dashcam, the actual recording element, in a safe part of your vehicle, while the cameras themselves are really small by design. So here you have it for the 4 types of BlackVue dashcams. Now let's go over other differentiating factors. When browsing the BlackVue dashcam lineup, you will come across mentions such as 1CH, 2CH, or 3CH. CH actually stands for channel, which means the number of cameras in this specific model. For example, if it's a 2CH model or 2-channel, you might have the front camera and the rear camera, such as this. The front camera is where everything's happening, actually, like the recording happens in the front camera. But if it's a 2-channel model, that means you also have a little camera that records, for example, the rear. The next thing you might come across is resolution. That's one of the key differentiating factors for dashcams. BlackVue has dashcams ranging from Full HD to 4K resolution. Of course, the 4K resolution record more data. That means a little bit heavier files, but luckily BlackVue also supports HEVC compression for its 4K model, meaning that you maintain a good quality without having a huge file size. Additionally, you have the special purpose auxiliary cameras. Those cameras connect to the main camera and have some special features like this IR camera. IR stands for infrared. And in the case of this camera, as you can see, it has these two infrared LED lights that will turn on automatically at night or when it's really dark in the vehicle and illuminate the interior of the vehicle. This model is actually designed to record the interior of the car at a pretty wide angle. So it's really handy for taxi drivers, for example, who want to protect themselves when they drive, especially at night. And on top of this, you have the truck cameras. Those truck cameras, they are designed to be installed at the back of a vehicle outside. They're totally waterproof with a rating of IP69K, which means you can power wash them and they're totally, waterproof. And they come with a very long cable, 15 meter, about 50 feet cable to connect to the front camera. And finally, you have these DMS cameras, which stands for Driver Monitoring System camera. It's a bit like an infrared camera, but with a special purpose lens that focuses on the driver and detects the behavior like drowsiness or lack of attention. And it allows the dash cam to automatically warn the driver. And this is actually more for like the fleet drivers, but people who want to commute and have their dash cam watch over them, it can be a good option as well. When you're browsing the lineup of dash cams, if you want this infrared for taxi camera, you will find any model with IR in the name. And the same way for any truck model, if the dash cam has the truck in the name, that means it includes this model. Some of the dash cam include these by default, and some of them don't, but generally you're able to purchase them later if you want. Now, for more information, check out the link below.